In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to time track in Notion. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use time tracking setup pulled from Notion's own template gallery, plus a few ideas for tailoring it to your workflow. Start on Notion's website or app and look toward the top navigation bar. Click the small drop-down arrow to open the main menu. This reveals quick links to different Notion resources. From there, choose Templates. That opens the Notion Marketplace, which is where Notion and the community share pre-built pages you can add to your workspace. Once the Marketplace loads, find the search bar and type Time Track. Press Enter to see all the relevant options. You'll notice different approaches. Some focus on simple logs, others include calendar views or reports. Take a moment to skim thumbnails and descriptions so you can spot the layout that matches how you like to work. Next, browse and select a free template that looks right for you. Click into its detail page to preview screenshots, read the overview, and check what properties it includes. Look for essentials like a task or activity name, a date or date time property, and a duration field. If it shows multiple views, like a table, a calendar, or a board, that's a bonus because you can flip between them depending on what you need to see. When you're ready, click Add. If prompted, pick the workspace where you want the template to live. Notion will import the page and place it in your sidebar. Give it a moment to finish loading. You'll see the full database and any pre-built views appear. With the template added, you can now edit it to match your workflow. Rename the page so it's easy to find. Open the database properties and adjust labels to your language. For example, change activity to task or category to client. If the template includes start and end times, confirm they're set as date time properties so durations calculate correctly. If there's a duration field, test it by adding a sample entry. Most templates also include filtered views, like today or this week. You can tweak those filters to match your schedule. If you see demo entries, clear them out and add your own real tasks. Finally, drag the page into your favorites so it stays pinned in the sidebar for quick daily logging. That's it. You've opened the template gallery, searched for Time Track, chosen a free option, added it to your workspace, and customized it just enough to start tracking right away.